Coach Jorge De Brito and Bella Belen of the Capital One Solar Spikers who won in straight sets against the Choco Mucho Bayan. Coach, congratulations on this win, a straight set victory and securing your place in the top 3 of Pool A. What can you say about how your team performed against Choco Mucho?
It's a tough team. The Choco Mucho team is studying a lot. They had a good performance before this match, and that's one the key, because you work a lot and hard in our practice and our game, that the result comes here inside, and also because we, of course, depends on them. Yeah, we study, but also we're always trying to do our best. I'm very happy and proud of them again.
Thank you, Coach. And for Bella, anong third set, you had to sit out. But what can you say about how yung team lang din nag-come together sila in order to get this win in straight sets?
Siyempre, I'm very happy kasi yun nga, team effort ulit yung nangyari sa game ngayon. And we're very ready talaga for this game. Pinag-aralan namin yung Choco Mucho and nag-set talaga kami ng game plan kung ano yung dapat namin gawin for this game. And hindi lang naman yung unang yung anim, kundi buong team talaga nag-set ng goal for this game. And syempre, ayun, happy kami kasi nakuha namin yung game and hindi naman namin expect na mag-straight set siya. Sabi lang namin talagang kailangan gawin namin yung part namin as a player and kailangan as a team kami maglaro.
Thank you. And for Rachel, grabe rin yung contributions mo for Capital One in this game. Knowing Choco Mucho din, malakas din sila na team, but how happy are you with how Capital One really managed to get this win?
I mean, words can't explain yung excitement, siguro yung nararamdaman ko, emotions ko ngayon. Halo-halo because, yun, yung na-cut actually yung shin ko and everything. Pero yung pupunta kami sa dulo, nakikita ko yung fighting spirit and yung camaraderie ng lahat. As in, like, ang sarap na part ka nun. And also, if you really just trust the process and trust yung system ni Coach, dumadali yung buwan.
Thank you. That was open for questions.
For Rachel, one of your biggest breaks kumbaga since joining Capital One. So, siguro nga yung patience naging mahalagang part din sa journey mo. Pero today in particular, parang nag-sink in ako sa'yo lalo na napakalaking papel din yung ginampanan mo sa game na to, and kumbaga patuloy pa nga yung pag-angat ng Capital One after tonight.
Yeah, actually, as an ate, parang kailangan ko rin talaga i-guide sila. Pero sabi nga nila, one of the interviews, sabi, as an ate, anong feeling, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, actually, ang gaan. Kasi hindi lang ako yung magtuturo sa kanila. Kasi sila rin, may natututunan ako talaga. Especially Bella and all the veterans din na part ng Capital One. So, ang saya lang. As in, sabi ko nga, ang gaan lang. Ang gaan maglaro. Ang gaan, ang sarap mag-volleyball. The fire is still there sa lahat.
And for Bella, huling laro mo siguro dito sa venue na to, nga with NU yung championship na yun. Siguro gano'n lang ka-sweet yung, kumbaga, coming back here kanina and now getting this big win with the Capital. Kamusta na yung emotions mo?
Kahapon pa lang, niloloko na ako nila coach na home court ko daw tumowa. And then kahit kanina, sabi ni coach, this is a home court. Kung naalala ko daw ba yung like confetti, kasi yun nga yung last game ko. So, syempre, very nostalgic siya for me kasi yun nga yung last game ko. Doon pa ako naka-dugout sa NU na Bulldog dugout. So, syempre maganda rin ngayon na ibang team na yung kasama ko na naglalaro. Pero, syempre, same pa rin yung fire, like yung pagka-love sa volleyball. And I'm very happy talaga kasi pagkabalik ko sa MOA yun, panalo kami and straight sets pa din.
And for Coach, 2 straight wins now for Capital One. Do you think you're starting to really figure out how to best put this team together on the court compared to how you began, which was quite shaky at first?
Yeah, I can agree with that, but you know, this kind of a process is super good that the straight sets, but you need more and you're gonna fight for more. So it's not enough. The next part of the tournament is super important. And then the focus right now is to recover these guys and back to show up again. And because this is the moral there inside that we always keep on saying, let's back better tomorrow. Thank you.
Coach, can you talk about how impressive your teamwork was, or it was during this game? You didn't need Bella to return to the game after that.
She's a really good addition for the team. And also, it's not the scoring points, not her attitude during the training with us. So she's bonding really good. So I'm sure that much more than points, she's helping us in all the ways. It's super good.
Bella, yun din, can you talk about how impressive Bitsenko is para sa team?
Sa training pa lang naman po, talagang super competitive na ni Ate Sasha and ang dami namin natututunan sa kanya. Ako personally, as an outside hitter, parehas po kami ng posisyon. Ang dami kong natututunan sa kanya and syempre nag-share din siya sa amin and sa akin, gano'n. Minsan, nagsasabi siya kung ano yung mga pwede kong gawin inside the court, ganyan. So, very happy kasi sa amin siya napunta. And siya po yung napili namin as an import kasi sobrang laking addition niya for the team. And ayun, talagang sakto rin. I mean, yung attitude niya, yung right attitude niya, tama rin for the team.
Asian, team na. Parang paano ka lang nag-step up para sa team? Of course, personally, para
Kala ko same yung question. Naka-ready na eh.
Yeah. Personally, syempre gusto mo improving yung sarili mo yung
Yes.
spot mo dito sa captain.
Yes. Actually, syempre coming from our other team, syempre may mga veterans doon and mga ates ko doon. It's so nice to like gain their trust, si Coach for his trust, and ang saya lang na parang included ka, yung parang gano'n. So I found a home here, and it's so nice. People here are so welcoming, and you know, ang dami ko pang natututunan. It's saya.
For Rachel and Ben, after nung slow start niyo sa conference, parang eto na, nakahanap pa kayo ng spot sa top 3 nitong pool. Siguro ano lang ba nagbago from nung sa start, kasi ngayon na kumbaga medyo mainit yung takbo niyo sa offense?
Ako siguro, napansin ko lang na syempre yung unang game namin nag-a-adjust pa paunti-unti kasi like yung chemistry ng team hindi naman agad-agad po nakukuha yan and yung pag-a-adjust sa sistema. So ayun, lagi nga nang gaya na sinasabi ko po sa mga interviews, yung panalo darating talaga yan as long na magtrabaho kami as a team and kailangan maging mas matyaga pa kami. Kasi yun, yung game sunod-sunod po so kailangan mabilis kami mag-adjust and thankfully, nagagawa naman po namin siya sa training pa lang na pa-practice na namin kung ano yung mga dapat namin gawin for the game. And ayun, lumalabas naman po sa game. Talagang nakikita namin na nagbubunga lahat na pinaghihirapan namin sa training.
Same. Same chance. Actually, it's nice to see them na yung fire and greed is nandun talaga. Each and every one of us is really hardworking. Coach is really hardworking and kailangan talaga namin sumabay and all. Napupush kami and all. But above all, we just let go and let God. Sabi namin, grabe yung ano namin, yung faith namin kay God na parang nandyan talaga siya for us. Parang sabi ko nga before, this is a redirection, especially for me. Kasi if I was in my previous team, yeah, siguro parang yung hindi ko pa masyado share or malalabas yung skills and knowledge sa volleyball. And through that, ito siguro yung breakthrough. And ang saya na maka-inspire pa and malabas pa yung, you know, kung ano pa yung meron tayo. Yeah.
Coach, with momentum on your side heading into the next round, how do you want your team to continue this, especially with tougher games ahead?
Yeah, as I said before, it's our mental is super strong, okay, and you're always thinking about to come back better. So they need a rest. They have this rest tomorrow, but also we know, yeah, tough day, but we need to back strong. And because you're gonna face, even if you see, there's a chance for the guys who stay on the bottom to step up. So I think that we need to keep on pushing. That's the program there inside. Fight for it.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Bella.